This video is sponsored by Best No Copyright Music. I'm often asked where it is I get the music that I include in my videos. The answer to that question is Best No Copyright Music. Whether you need music for your own creative needs, your own videos, or you just want to vibe out to some of the best tunes on the web, Best No Copyright Music. Link to their channel is in the description.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Continuing my iPhone 14 series coverage. I had dabbled with the thought of picking up this orange leather case, as you might have heard from my umber leather case unboxing video, and I decided to do it. It's fall. Orange is the #1 color that reminds me of this season, so I thought, why not? Maybe I'm gonna rock this case for this season. So here it is. It comes in a white box, just like the phone itself. It's got a picture of the case in the color. You got it. It says iPhone 14 Pro leather case. MagSafe on the top and the sides and the bottom. Doesn't say anything on the back. Tells you what case you got in a couple different languages. And this one, unlike the silicone cases where there's a pull tab, you just pull on this to open it up. And there we go. Real nice. How would I describe this? This is a true orange. I think it comes across brighter in some videos than it actually is. It's definitely orange, but it's not a burn your eye orange. It's just a true orange, just like the fruit. So I think it goes best with the black and the purple, if I'm going to be honest with you. But of course, a neutral color like white, and technically the silver will go with any color case. But here it is. Here you got the Apple logo debossed right in the middle there. And let's take this out. And you see, let's put this case to the side just for a second. Some booklets that I don't think any of us are going to care about. It does mention that this case is made with high quality supple leather to protect your iPhone. Leather is a natural material, and like a fine leather belt, it may show creases, marks, or patina over time. Interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints, which is exactly why I do not use MagSafe with my leather cases. I personally get a little bit annoyed. My OCD gets triggered when I see that MagSafe circle in the back of a pretty nicely priced leather case. So let's get back to the case. See on the sides here, you've got your anodized aluminum buttons, volume up, volume down, power, etc. So let's give the phone a quick wipe down here. All right, gave the phone a quick wipe down. Now we apply our leather case, and it's a real snug fit here. And you see that animation. I turned the phone around just in time. Real nice. You see how your always on display looks, and my wallpaper is matching this case right now. As you can see, I think that looks real nice. I will start with the sides. That power button is nice and clicky. Hope you can hear that. On the side, the top, this side, you see the cutout for your switch here. You got your volume up and down buttons, and on the bottom, the cutouts are perfect. I hope you can see that. Since the phone itself is black, it might be difficult to catch on camera. I'm trying to help you out there. See the cutout for lightning port, speaker grill. Now let's see how it looks from the back. That's nice. Now, when you see orange leather like that, if it's not a watch band, it can almost come across as looking a little rubbery. But I can assure you that if you're close enough, just regular proximity to the person, you can tell it's leather. This is nice to sport during the fall months, September, October, November, Halloween, Thanksgiving, etc. Real nice. I like this case. I think my favorite, my #1, is still the umber, especially with this black. I think that umber goes real nice with the gold as well. Bit of a raised lip, as we mentioned in the other unboxing videos for these cases. So you can definitely put the phone down, face down. You got no problem there at all. Offers a good bit of protection. I think good enough for most people. Again, if you've got, a real active lifestyle and you drop your phone a lot, whatever, you may need something else, something more rugged. But this is a nice balance of some protection for your phone while preserving its elegance. It just looks real nice. Again, I'm not going to put MagSafe on this. I don't like that circle that shows up on the back. So I'm just going to test wireless charging for you on this, just so you can see that MagSafe or not. That works with these cases. And there you see it charging, 87%. You saw the animation and you see there that it is charging. So real nice here. Again, you see it from the front with the always on display. It's a nice case. Guys, that's about it. This has been the iPhone 14 Pro leather case in orange. I will throw a link in the description for where you can purchase this. As always, I appreciate you watching. If you want more on the iPhone 14 Pro series, might want to consider subscribing so you're the first to know when those videos drop. I also love the Samsung Galaxy series, so I'm always covering that as well. And we'll see, I may cover the Pixel 7 Pro being released in October. I'll catch you guys in the next video.